students. Today we are going to study the subject mathematics of class 9 and the chapter is number system. So first of all we have to know the types of numbers. There are many types of numbers. Some of these are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, real numbers, etc. So now coming to natural numbers. Here are some important points I have written. You see just natural numbers starts from 1 and natural numbers are the set of numbers like 1, 2, 3 ... It does not include 0. It includes only positive numbers, means positive integers. It is denoted by n. Whole numbers. What is whole numbers? It is the set of numbers like 0, 1, 2 ... It includes 0. So here natural numbers, it does not include 0, but in whole numbers it includes 0. It starts from 0 as it is including 0. It includes only positive numbers and it is denoted by W. So next is integers. It includes all positive and negative numbers like +1, +2, -1, -2, -5, etc. And it is denoted by capital Z. Then coming to real numbers. Now it is very important for these chapters. Real numbers are the numbers which include both rational and irrational numbers. Now what is rational and irrational numbers? Rational numbers. A rational number is a number that can be expressed as the fraction p by q of two integers and a numerator p and a non-zero denominator q. So the form is p by q. Here p and q are integers and q must not equals to 0. So next is, now one important point is every integer is a rational number, but every rational number is not an integer. Like what are integers? +1, +2, -3, -4. So we can write 2 as 2 by 1. So here p is 2 and q is 1. So p and q both are integers and q not equals to 0. So it satisfies the rules of rational number. So we can say that 2 is rational number. Similarly 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, these are also rational numbers. Like -1, we express this as -1 by 1 also, -2 as -2 by 1, as we know it is negative integer. Now if we write 1 by 2, here p is 1 and q is 2, both are integers and q not equals to 0. So this is a rational number. But the answer is coming 0.5. So this is not an integer. So we can conclude that every integer is a rational number, but every rational number is not an integer. So what are irrational numbers? Irrational numbers are those which cannot be expressed as the ratio of two integers So here is the form is P by Q. So in irrational numbers, P and Q may not be an integer, and Q not equals to 0. This is compulsory for rational number and irrational number. So here P and Q are not integer, so that it is called irrational numbers. Like root 2 was the first number proved as irrational, so we can express root 2 as root 2 by 1. Here root 2 is coming 1.414, which is not an integer, so that's why root 2 is called an irrational number. Now one question may come, is 0 a rational number? Now see, we can express the 0 as 0 by 1, or 0 is equals to 0 by 2, or 0 is equals to 0 by 3. Here P is equals to 0 and Q is equals to 1, which is not equals to 0. So it satisfies the rules of rational number. Similarly for this also and this also. So now we can conclude that 0 is a rational number where the P by Q form is 0 by 1, and here 0 and 1 both are integers, and Q that is equals to 1 not equals to 0. So now one question, find 6 rational numbers between 2 and 3. Now to find 6 rational numbers, we have to express the 2 and 3 as rational numbers also. So we can write 2 equals to 2 by 1 and 3 equals to 3 by 1. So now as we have to find 6 rational numbers, so we have to divide this number into 7 divisions. Means we have to find 6 numbers, so we have to divide it 7 divisions. Or if we have to find 3 numbers say, so we have to divide this into 4 numbers, right? So we have to divide this into 7 numbers, so we have to multiply the whole number in both numerator and denominator. Similarly for this also, 3 into 7 and 1 into 7. So the results is, it's 2. So result is 14 by 7, 21 by 7. So the 6 rational numbers between 2 and 3 are, we can write 15 by 7 as the numbers in between this and this, so it does not include 14 by 7 and 21 by 7. So it starts from 15 by 7 and then 16 by 7, 18 by 7, 19 by 7 and 20 by 7. So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have missed one number, that is 17 by 7. Similarly, now if the question is find 4 rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 5 by 4, so they have given already the rational numbers 3 by 4 and 5 by 4, so we can write it directly. Now we have to find 4 rational numbers, so we have to divide it into 5 divisions. So we have to multiply the 5 both denominator and numerator like this. Similarly for this also, 4 into 5, 5 into 5. We have multiplied the 5 as we have to divide it into 5 divisions. Now the result is 15 by 20, 25 by 20. Now as we have to find the numbers between these and these, so we can't write these two numbers, so we can write as the 4 rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 5 by 4 are, so it starts from 16, here it is 15 and it starts from 16, 16 by 20, 17 by 20, 18 by 20 and 19 by 20. See, there are 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they are all rational numbers, as here P is 16, here P is 17, here P is 18, like here Q is 20, here Q is 20 for all, and Q not equals to 0. So these are all rational numbers. So we can find this type of question by solving like this. So bye for today. See you in the next video.